Breakfast for sure is important meal of the day, but we are all breaking our fast the wrong way. From having bed tea as a first thing in the morning, from having banana with milk in the morning, from having oranges to having orange juice in the morning. These are some of our wrong breakfast eating habits which are causing irritable bowel movement, constipation, acidity, slow metabolism, and lack of energy entire day. Not having the first meal of our day right way may be causing problems in our weight loss journey as. In this video, we will talk about what you should have and what you should not have for breakfast to lose weight fast. And also 5 reasons you are eating breakfast wrong way. Number 1 mistake we do are eating wrong fruits for breakfast. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits are very acidic in nature. When citrus fruits like oranges are eaten first thing in the morning and on empty stomach, they can cause acidity, irritation and gastric problems. That also means we should not drink fruit juices like orange juice first thing in the morning and on empty stomach. And the second fruit, bananas, which we love to eat in the morning. Bananas are the common fruit which we eat in the breakfast, but we should not consume that on empty stomach. Bananas contain high amount of magnesium and potassium. When we wake up, our body is not able to adjust to that much amount of nutrients. So it causes imbalance of those nutrients in our body, which are not good for our overall health. So bananas should be avoided on an empty stomach. And also the ripe bananas are little acidic in nature and should not be consumed to avoid acidity in the body. If these fruits are consumed in the breakfast and on empty stomach, they not only will cause acidity, heartburn, constipation, but they can also lead to slow metabolism and hence weight gain. Eat these fruits as a snack after your meal or pre-workout. They give you high energy and won't affect your acidic level. If you still want to have fruits in your breakfast, you can have fruits like watermelon, blueberries and papaya on an empty stomach as well. They are very good for weight loss and they boost metabolism. And they can also prevent irregular bowel movements. Second most common mistake we do are starting our day with tea, coffee on an empty stomach. We all love our bed tea, and as soon as we wake up, we need chai as the first thing. We crave chai a lot in the morning. Without chai or coffee, it's hard for us to function properly. But if you suffer from heartburn, acidity and dehydration in the morning, maybe it's not a very good idea to have coffee and tea first thing in the morning and on an empty stomach. Tea and coffee are acidic in nature, and having them on empty stomach can lead to acidity, heartburn, improper digestion and ultimately weight gain. Caffeine present in tea and coffee can dehydrate your body, and when you wake up, your body needs water a lot. Since you will make your body dehydrated, the nutrients you will take entire day won't be absorbed in your body. And first thing you should be drinking in morning is either warm water or lemon water, which your body required a lot after 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Having lemon water in the morning will flush out all the toxins, and then eat something and enjoy your tea and coffee. And the third mistake which we do is eating high glycemic index food in breakfast. What is glycemic index? It is index which measures how certain food will raise blood sugar level in body. High glycemic index food tend to increase blood sugar level sharply comparative to low glycemic index food. Green vegetables, most fruits, raw carrots, kidney beans, chickpeas, lentils and bran breakfast cereals are low glycemic index food. For breakfast, you should certainly avoid high glycemic index food and incorporate low glycemic index food. Having said that, that doesn't mean every high glycemic index food is bad for health. But for breakfast, you should always eat low glycemic index. Common breakfast items like instant oats, cornflakes, white bread with high glycemic index should be replaced with low glycemic index breakfast options such as steel cut oats, bran flakes, and whole grain bread. Some Indian breakfast options with low glycemic index are bale roti with sabzi, both have low glycemic index, whole wheat dal roti, dalia, and poha. And as I said, high glycemic index, all food are not bad and can be consumed after workout for recovery of muscle mass. Number fourth mistake we do is not having enough protein in breakfast. High protein breakfast is important for increased muscle mass, weight loss, high energy, and manage blood sugar level. Having protein-rich breakfast will make you feel fuller for a long time. There are many high-protein Indian breakfast options, such as if you are non-vegetarian, you can have boiled eggs, omelette with whole wheat bread, and if you are vegetarian, you can enjoy vegetable dalia, oats poha, besan chilla, and whole wheat paneer toast. Number fifth and last mistake we do is we don't have enough fiber in our breakfast. Do you always feel that after having meal you are never full, or you have problem of constipation? I have heard so many times there are many people who complain that after losing weight they have problem of constipation. This is because we don't have enough fiber in our diet. Fiber is a form of carb and is very important to have in our diet. It helps in weight loss and also help in maintaining weight loss. Having flax seeds, chia seeds, oatmeal and berries, and you will forget all your constipation problems. I also have a video on 5 healthy quick breakfast options. I will link it in the description box. And if you are trying to lose weight and not seeing result, maybe try changing your breakfast habits. I am sure and I guarantee you will see the difference. If you like my video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, comment in the comment section and turn on the notification bell so you get notification every time I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.